Hi, I'm Chris Sanders from ErieTec, a division of Purvis Industries. We offer a number of material handling products, services, and solutions. Today I wanted to talk to you about one of those services that can simplify ordering and replacing conveyor belts. So during the conveyor belt survey, first we're going to want to identify the conveyor belt itself. We'll take a look at the top cover material, we'll take a look at the dimensions, we'll take a look at the bottom cover if there is a cover. We'll also take a look at any special features that might be on that conveyor belt, such as a sidewall or flights, or perhaps for tracking purposes we'll want to verify if there is or isn't V-guides. Additionally, we'll take a look at some other things. We'll verify that the pulley diameters in place are adequate for the particular conveyor belt selected. Then we'll look at the fastening system. Is it laced or is it endless? If it's laced, we'll verify that the lacing in place is appropriate for that style of conveyor belt. And lastly, we'll take a look at other areas for improvement to increase life and reduce wear. Maybe it's an alternate top cover material, maybe it's a different flight pattern, or maybe it's just a different kind of lacing. And once we complete the survey, we'll provide our findings. This one document can act as an easy reference guide. So when it comes time to replacing that conveyor belt, you'll know exactly what you need when you need it. If you're interested in learning more about the conveyor belt survey or other services that we have to offer, please contact us at ErieTec.